Hi everyone. In our previous episode, we have reviewed how to design a master sheet for the automation purposes when a new intake form comes in, who should be the owner, how to automatically select a status, and also the estimate time and priority level. In this video, we will learn assigning this project or any particular project to an analyst, work status for that analyst, and also target date and target due date. And also we'll calculate some SLAs. So what we will do is, if you look at this structure, we have two distinct type of activities happening in here. The part one, we are requesting information through form or receiving information through form, and part two, we have developed some automation for automatic owner and also the intake status. So to have a distinct kind of feature on this tabular view, let's add some column color to distinguish them. Very mild color blue, and then also the other four. In this episode, we are going to add more columns. More, to be very specific, it'll be on analyst column. So again, same practice, right click on the last column and add assigned analyst. And this column can be automated as well. I'll show you how it works. So for now, let's select, maybe you know the team member already. So we say 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗃 maybe, and maybe Alan Donald, and we keep it as it is. So keep it 2 people for the time being. And as you see here, we don't have any color over here, which is a good start. And then we go to the next important column, which is the work status. We want to know at some points how far this project is going, if it is in progress, or the status of it. So we will select in here drop down list. We could say not started, because every analyst might have multiple different projects. Then it could be in progress. It also could be in blocked status, or it could be in delivered. So select restrict the value again. These columns will not be on the form, but they will be on the tabular view. I just wanted to mention that. So the third one is the start date, when the analyst starts working on it. So it will be start date, select the date, and then we will have target due date. So target due date is the date that you really want it to be completed by. And this date can be based on your formula, depending on, for example, if you have a SLA established, like whenever the priority is high, the assigned business day is like 5 days, right? Or whenever the target is medium or medium priority, then you could assign 10 days or 20 days based on your SLA. What I will do is I will provide you the formula to calculate that, and it will be on the description. And also the template will be on the description as well, so you can use it if you need it. And finally, we would like to know if your project was done earlier than the target date, so it would be actual completion date as well. And some other formula, if you are running more than the allocated time, then you could just calculate some flags. And the Smartsheet has enormous capacity to flag if you are running over the limit. And as a project manager or your analytic manager or the director will have a clear view to see how to manage the workload. So we will add that as well to this view. And that's all for this page. So what we will do is we will develop an automated approach to select the analyst, right? So what we will do is we will go to automation, click on the automation, and create from scratch. So what we are trying to do is, when rows are added, I would like this to be sent to me directly or your manager directly. So request an update, collect data from other with an easy to fill form. So you select that and you provide that person's name. And when you do that, this will be sent. So you could just select in here is new request. And in here, you would like to understand, or you'd like to know what kind of fields are submitted by the requester and what kind of project is. So what you do is you can select all fields or specific fields. Specific field will show you only one column or the column that you select. So in our cases, let's select all fields so you have a wider view of what's happening and what kind of request came in. And here we will put a number 3rd, which is select Assigned Analyst. So whenever you select this automation, you will receive a link from Smartsheet, and that link will open up a separate form on your email. And when you open it, you will be able to select particular analyst name, so the person you want to assign the project. So it is very handy when you need information quickly from the field versus in the office, then this is the option that you should go for. So we say primary column request ID, any value. So whenever new value is added, then you say send me the automation so I can submit it from my phone or from my computer, or if I'm outside I can still do my work. I hope you like this video, and also don't forget to see the next video where we already developed some automations. We will develop some more, and it will be an end-to-end system for the manager to monitor the demand and governance system. Thank you.